Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel e-commerce project tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about edit category for admin. So let's see how can we edit the category. First of all, go to the admin controller. So let's open the admin controller and here let's create another function. So just write here public function and function name which is category underscore edit. Okay, and here just pass one parameter which is id, and now let's fetch the category. Okay, so write your category and just call it the find method and pass the id, and now just return a view admin dot category edit and also pass this category to the views. So inside the compact just pass in the category. Alright, and now let's create the route for this. So go to the web.php and here let's add the new route get admin slash category slash pass here the id as a parameter and then add it. Okay, and then add here the controller admin controller colon class category method name which is category underscore edit and give the route name admin dot category dot edit. Okay, now save this and now go to the categories.blade.php file and here inside this for each inside this edit link just add here a route. So right here double curly bracket route admin dot category dot edit and then pass here the parameter id arrow sign dollar category arrow id. Okay, now save this and now let's create a new view which is this one category dash edit. So copy this and go to the resources directory, then views admin, and inside the admin folder let's create a new file category dash edit.php. Okay, and now let's copy from brand dash edit.php file. So go to this file and in this file here is the mistake, so change the route name admin dot brands, not add. Okay, now select all the text and go to the categories dash edit.php file and just paste here. Okay, now change here the text, simply write here category, also copy this and paste here categories category and also change here the route name categories. Okay, change everywhere, so category name okay, now here just select this $brand, press Ctrl plus T. Okay, all selected. Now remove this and add here $category. Now save the file. Alright, now go to the admin controller and create one more function here, public function, and function name which is category underscore update, and here just pass the request dollar request. And now let's validate here the input field. So let's copy from here. So let's copy all the content from here. This method brand underscore update method. So let's copy all the text and paste here. Okay, now change here the table's name, categories, okay, and also change the variable, control T, selected, dollar category. Okay, now change the model, category, okay, category name, category slug, image, and also change the folder path, categories, and view name which is categories, route name admin.categories. Also change the message, category has been updated successfully. And for generating the category thumbnail, let's copy this function name and just paste here. Okay, now it's done, so save this, and now let's create a route for this category update method. So go to the web.php, and here let's create a new route, get, add the URI admin slash category slash update. Okay, and now add here the controller name, admin controller, colon class, and then function name, category underscore update. Okay, now give here the route name which is admin.category dot update. Now save this. Now let's copy this function, the route name, and go to the category edit blade.php file, and inside this form let's change here the route name, this one admin.category dot update. Okay, now save this. Now it's done. So let's check this. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Now let's edit the category, this one. So edit, and here is the edit page. Now let's make this one category 3, press tab. Okay, and okay, here image is not showing. So for displaying the image, okay, inside this just change here the path, upload slash categories. Now save this. Now let's click on editing, and this time you can see the image. Now change the category 3, also update the image, this one. Now click on save. Okay, put method is not supported. Alright, go to the web.php and this is the mistake. Just add here the method put, not get. Okay, now save this and go back, refresh the page and re-upload the image. Also change the category here 3. Now click on save and this time you can see here category has been updated. Okay, so in this way you can edit the category. So that's all about creating edit page for the category. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.